Hi! In front of me is Honor 90, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this Honor. First of all, go into Tab menu and look for Location Shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now gray. That means that location is off, but you can always switch it on by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and click on Location section. Then manage your location thanks to this switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!